of you already know, brothers with passports have been getting a lot of pushback about our freedom papers. Now I think it's time we address the elephant in the room. I usually try to stay away from negative conversation, especially when I really have nothing to complain about. I've been blessed. My children are healthy, my bills are taken care of here in Thailand and in the U.S. I love where I live, and I have a beautiful woman who takes really good care of me. I mean, really good care of me. For some people, that's a problem. Well, guess what? When I walk outside and I run into brothers and others, and they tell me things like, "You're the reason I'm here, Travel OG." Or when I do my private consultations and have a personal one-on-one with people and get to know them, and my Patreon members. Man, shout out to all my Patreon members helping me to push this movement forward, as well as all of the positive comments I get from you guys on a daily basis. It brings us back to this question. Why are women in other countries willing to compete for their mates? Why are women in the Matrix mad at us for having our freedom paper? Now, of course, we can start with the obvious. We all know the women out here are smoking hot. We all know they're willing to compete. We all know Thailand has three things: better software, better safety, and better service. We all know the cost of living is way cheaper, but is that the reason to hate on us? Come on now, creating false narratives and shaming us men as well as the women out here? Let's ask the Filipina P.
You attack us Asian women, you call us poor, uneducated, submissive, desperate women who are happy with your table scraps and rejects. But if you truly believe we were getting your leftovers, the men you don't want anyway, then why do you sound so angry and defensive about it and try to shame men for finding happiness here? And what you call submissive is what we call being agreeable. And what you call submissive is what we call being agreeable. There are millions more like me over here, just waiting to have a shot at making your men happy. But don't listen to me. Talk to the guys who already escaped the plantation and see what they have to say.
A lack of traditional value. I think I've experienced one time where somebody told me I can come and get my own plate. And I'm like, even if my homeboy came over my house and I cooked, I'd make him a plate. That's just common courtesy. So you have so much pride as a woman that you won't even make me a plate. Bitch, fuck you. Your best bet is gonna be to get out of here because you might find it. You might be 45 years old. If you're 20 right now, you'll be 45 years old when you find it. But I mean, hey, if you enjoy wasting life, stay here.
Is it perfect? No way. And I can promise you, we Asian women are happy to have your men and offer them everything they've been looking for. And I can promise you, we Asian women are happy to have your men and offer them everything they've been looking for.
Your legacy is connected to the type of woman that you have on your arm. At least they chose wise women to know how to have some decorum and how to handle themselves in situations like that. But no, these over here, all your stuff all over the internet, all over the blogs, because y'all choosing women that don't have nothing to lose but will help you lose everything.
Don't get mad at me. Don't get mad at the Filipina P. Everybody wants to be equal till it's time to pay the bill. You know that ain't right. We're wrong for asking you to make us a plate on Thanksgiving? Shout out to Austin Holloman, shout out to Please Act Right, and shout out to the Filipina P. It seems right as I was doing this episode,
There's quite a war of words going on between a certain segment of Western women and men who pursue international relationships. It seems there's a lot of animosity against these guys, with name-calling and outrageous accusations. The conflict centers around a movement called the Passport Bros, who are typically black guys who have gotten fed up with the situation in the West and decided to look elsewhere for a happy life. Now, even though the Passport Bros are mostly African Americans, I think you'll recognize the same tactics being used to shame any guy who dares to dream of finding a better mate overseas.
Passport bros go to third world countries and purchase little girls and turn her into a breeding mare. They're little girls, you're sick.
Damn! I love you!
So where is all this anger against the Passport Bros coming from? It sounds like the guys just want to find greener pastures, and their women don't seem to like him very much anyway. So what's the problem?
Yeah, what's the problem?
Apparently there's a group of, you guessed it, Black men who have grown weary of the quote control, so they've decided to seek dominance elsewhere, and that's in the form of traveling to third world countries to seek a bride. What's at play here is that these dusty, mediocre at best so-called men have finally come to the realization that Black women are no longer willing to settle for the bare minimum and are choosing to stay single and maintain their peace. If divesting to desperate and disenfranchised women is so great, why do you all have to make an announcement, a grand announcement? Oh, I know why. Because you actually think that this will hurt Black women.
Wait. I got to cut you off right there. This is about the software, not the hardware. The real question should be, why aren't high value or even dusty men flying in droves to the Matrix to find modern women? Things that make you go,
Okay, so the undesirable, dusty, mediocre, at best, so-called men want to get away from you? I wonder why they want to do that. You sound really sweet and not bitter at all. As for why the passport bros want to announce their intentions, maybe they're not trying to hurt women. They're just letting other men know that leaving is an option.
theme music.
Zoom to Thailand, hope you coming too. Richie Mack, travel OG with celebrity interviews. Get your passport, let's go. This is what you need for sure. Brothers in Thailand and bikini babes at the beach. If you need more, he got it poppin'. Caddy of the day, we golfing. Really ain't a better option. Time to travel, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's connect. Richie Mack, yeah, we steady vibing. Take a journey, let's get moving, cause we zooming right to Thailand. Hey, Richie Mack, travel OG, let's go.
Don't forget to subscribe for my channel.